Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's in this section, I'm going to explain about the process of product broadcasting in broadcasting by order scenario. In this order means we are using a production order. So here I will be showing the end-to-end process. Before going into this process, I want to show you the my cost estimation for the material. So for that, I'm accessing the transaction code CK11, sorry, CK13N. Cost estimation is already marked and released, so I'm displacing here in this transaction code. So just enter. So here you can see my raw material is 45,000 and production cost is 50,000 and material overhead is 4,500 and production overhead is 5,000 and admin overhead is 2,500. So total per each material, finished material, my cost would be this much, 1,06,750. Okay, so let me show you whether it is updated in the material master or not. MM03. So area and costing 2. So the same has been updated here. You can see. And now in the first step we have to create the production order by using the transaction code CO01. So here my material is this one and my production plant is to the 2006 and my order type is PP01. Just hit enter and then here mention the quantity. So I'm giving the production order to manufacture 10 quantity and then here just mentioning the end date and then click on this one goods receipt. Here we have to make sure the good receipt checkbox is checked and then control tab, we have to update our cost sheet. So my cost sheet would be, so this one PC1 standard and then hit enter and then click on save. So order has been saved. Now we have to release this order, then go to change mode. And the second step would be we have to release the production order. So here click on this flag release order and then double click here. We have to make sure this GR is allowed here, then go one step back and click on save. So order has been released now. Now in the third step we have to post the uh, goods issue to against to this order. So for that we have to use the transaction code mygo and mygo and in another tab I will open this order CO03 in display mode. So my order number is 258. Just hit enter and then click on go to and cost and click on this analysis. So here we can see the this order analysis here. This is the my planned cost and this is my actual cost. Still it's showing 00 because I have not done any transaction, so that's why the whole amount is showing as in the variance. So let me post a goods issue now. Goods issue against to order. My order number is 5258. So here just mention 258 and then hit enter. This one. Just update the search storage location and click OK. Then hit enter and then click on post. So we are getting this message deficit of SL unrestricted. So this error is because of this quantity whatever we are sending to our production system, the quantity, first of all, we have that quantity should exist in our stocks. So quantity is not there, so that's why I'm getting this error. So come back. Let me post ME21, create a PO. So this is my supplier, purchase organization, and this is my company. Then come here. Okay, quantity. Okay, just enter. So here we can see no issues. So we can click on save. So my purchase order has been created now. It's 4320. Then MIGO, go to the MIGO transaction, and here goods receipt, purchase order, then give the number here 20. Okay, then select check OK and update the location here and click on post. So now I'm getting this error. Let me fix this error. VYC. So what it is saying? VYC305 transaction event keep PSX posting directly. Okay, so it means not OBYC slash NFS00. File raw material. Just click on edit and click here. Just click this one and save. Now go back and click on post. So our material document has been posted. So to view this document, click on display and click on execute. Now at this level, the transaction, the FI entry would be raw material account debit and GRI account credit. So let me show you the entry as well. Just click here, accounting document. So here we can see raw material account debit and GRR account credit. So at the time of raw material, for the raw material, the transaction event key would be BSX and GRR would be WRX. Now I am going back. Now I will be goods receipt, that is done. Now I am issuing the goods to my order. So now my order is 258 here. Click on execute. Then click on check OK. Update the storage location. And again here storage location and click OK. Enter and click on post. Now so we have issued the goods to PP module, so production order. So the raw material, everything we have issued to production. So now this material document has been posted. We'll see the accounting entries. Document information and FI documents. So here we can see the accounting document. So here we can see the accounting entry would be raw material account credit and consumption account debit. This is the entry at the time of issuing the goods to production team, production department. Okay, now we have to confirm the or order activities. So whatever the activities we have given to the production team, so manufacturing has been done, so that we have to confirm. So with the help of C015 transaction code, this is my order. Just hit enter. Just enter the quantity, the completed quantity we have planned, given the 10 quantity to manufacture the start the production. So the production has been completed, so the same we are updating here, and then click on save here. Now come to this production order display, go one step back here, and then again go inside cost and analysis. So here we can see, one second, yeah, so here we can see the my total the planned cost for the material would be 4,50,000. The same they have spent, we have spent the 4,50,000 here we can see. And then coming to the our manufacturing production cost, 5 lakhs total planned production cost, and actual also 5 lakhs. And then we have overheads. So for this overheads we have planned 1,17,500, but still it's showing as planned because it's not updated. So to do this we have to execute the transaction KGI2. Okay, yeah, let me execute the transaction. So overhead calculation, so just enter KGI2. So here my controlling area should be 2006. Okay, now I am executing the test run. So here we can see the overhead calculated. So just double click here. Okay, now go back, remove the test run. Okay, overhead calculated, double click here. So here I'm not able to display the document. Process completed with no errors. Whenever I double click here, it should take me to the inside, but it's not happening here now. Okay, so anyhow we can see here. Let me refresh the order here. Go to costing and analysis. So now, so here we can see our overhead also calculated as per the planned cost. It's updated. Now we have to post the final entry, final step. It would be goods receipt to stock, goods received from against to order. So it means we have given the stock to production team to manufacture the finished good. Now the finished good has been completed, so they are the PP team giving back to the stock. So that we need to post through Flash and MyGo transaction only. So MyGo transaction. So here we need to select the goods receipt against to order and mention the order here, and then click on execute. Now, so this is my finished product 10 quantity. So here now I need to mention the storage location and just click on item OK, and then click on post. Okay, Silicon does not exist in company code. Okay. Slash NSS. Okay, I have created the GL account. Now try to post it. The entry has been posted now. You can see. So now I will display the document and to check the accounting entry. So here we can see system has generated three documents: accounting document and controlling document and material ledger document. Double click on accounting document. So now here we can see the entry: finished goods account debit and change in inventory would be credit. And now we'll go back to our order, go one step back here, and then again click on go to cost and analysis. Now here we can see the production order is 0. We can see the amount is 0, so planned cost is 1,067,500 and the actual cost is also 1,067,500. There is no variance. If there is a variance, we should have to calculate the variances. Okay, this is one scenario. In another scenario, I will be explaining the this thing with the variance. So let me go back and create the another order. Close, close. This one also close. Now we will see the another example with the variances. I will show you. Now for this, I need to create one more production order CO01. So here I'm taking the plant this one and enter. Quantity I'm mentioning as 10 again and end date. Just check the goods receipt tab. Okay, then click on control and give the costing sheet here. Then hit enter and then I'm directly releasing it. So here back save. So order has been created and it's released. We can see here in the display mode my order is 259. Just hit enter. So here status is changed, release. Now I'm going here, cost and analysis. So here we can see, so my planned cost is 1145125 and the total actual cost is 00. So now I will open another session and I will issue the goods to production order. For this, I will be using the transaction code mygo. Okay, goods issue. My order number is 59. That's mentioning the storage location and item. Okay, then click on post. So material document has been posted. Let me display this document. So here same the raw material account debit and raw material account credit and consumption account debit. So we have issued the goods to production team. So now production team has been the manufacturing has been completed. So now they will be those activities has been done. So now we have to do the CO15 production confirmation. Before production confirmation, whether the amounts are updated here or not, we'll check here. Going one step back and again costing analysis. So we can see here. So our planned cost is 5,17,500. The actual cost which is taken place is 4,50,000 only. So now this is my variance. This much variance we have in production. So what I have done is, so for the tires I have mentioned 400 quantity, and I have taken only for 10 quantity only. That's why the differences has been came. I have using the less quantity, so that's why this discrimination is there. In the planning level, I have planned for the activity rates are different, so that's why we are system is showing the differences here. Now enter in the quantity and then click on save. So order has been confirmed. Now go one step back again and cost and analysis. So now here we can see production cost is same, but the my raw material cost is different due to this quantity. Okay, so now now the next step would be calculating the overhead cost. So I'm going here KGI2. I'm executing this in, so okay, first of all I need to set the controlling area and then click on execute here. So here we can see the overhead has been calculated. What's it not showing? Okay, yeah, just click on execute. Okay, here we can see so the sender is cost center NS200 and the receiver is this order, and its cost element is this one, these three cost elements 45,000, 50,000 and 2250. We can see here these are our overheads. 50,000, 50,000 is same. I will explain you. I just wanted to show you the accounting entries. Okay. No, it's not showing. Okay, anyhow, here come one step back again, go and cost and analysis. So here we can see this is production overhead, which is I have calculated on a production cost on 10%. So 5 lakhs, 10% is 50,000. And these two material and admin cost I have calculated on the raw materials. So based on this, it has been calculated 45,000, 10%, 4 lakh 50,000, 10%, 45,000, and 5%, 22,500. Okay, so here also we have the variances. At the time of plan, we have 1,27,625. At the time of actual, we have 1,17,500. There is a 10,000 differences is there. Now we will be posting the goods receipt. Okay, then I go. So here click on goods receipt. Again is to order again. My order is 259 and then click on execute. So here the quantity is 10. Item OK and then click on post. So document has been posted, material document. So let me display this document for the accounting entry. I'll validate the accounting entry. The entry would be finished goods debit and change in stock inventory credit. So finished material debit and change in inventory credit. So we have system has sent back this material to the stock, and this prices has been updated in the finished material. We can also validate this one. Okay, and go back, going again back to order. Just refresh the screen, go to cost and analysis. Now here we can see the goods receipt is posted. Now we have 77,625 variance. This variance is currently holding in this order. So at the end we have to settle this. We have to settle this to a material only. So to execute to do the settlement process, we have to execute the transaction KO88. Okay, so KO88. So this is my order. I'm executing in a test run. Click on execute. So settlement executed. Just double click here. Yes, system should have to show like this. So here my sending order is 1259 and sending cost center is 2s ns 500 and receiver is material. Receiver is material. So here we can see, and one step back, I'm executing in update run and double click here. So now here we can see the accounting documents. Just click on document, click on accounting document. Now here the accounting entry is change in inventory debit and price changes PRD. Price changes PRDGL account has been created. So now again I'm going back to the order and just refresh this. At the end the order values should be 0. Okay, click on analysis. Go up. So here we can see the finally value is 0. Okay, so due to some reasons here the settlement GL is not populated here without origin. I'm getting some error here, so I will fix this one. Okay, so this is the process, month-end process in terms of broadcasting by order scenario. So that's all in this session. Thank you so much for watching my videos.